Oh, does it squeak? Huh. You going to put his head on? Where's his head? Oh, we're back to the motorbike. Dancing! Oh. Are you going to put the eggs in there then? Squeak, squeak.
Then I saw that Mr. Martin, my Mr. Martin, was coming towards me. Mr. Martin.
I managed to read the Romance of the Fist. It was very good.
Finally, I said I had to go. But then he followed me. I was not 3 steps.
What do they do? What do they do? Oh, Nanny turned it off. Oh, is that all right? Well, you play with your toys? Yeah. Oh, is there more?
Can tell you.
You want Nanny